Okay. It is... Oh, geez, it kind of shook me up. It's the 12th, I believe, of January 2010. I just heard something really strange coming up from this way. It sounded like a scream. You can hear way on the other side of this ridge is a roadway. That's what you're hearing. I didn't hear that sound anymore. But I am finding tracks again here. This is an area of prediction. This is on the western side of the Sierras. I'm not sure if this is the same group. I'm just gonna have to wait, and hopefully I can get a cast out of one of these and see what I can get from here. But that noise was kinda creepy. I don't hear it anymore. I don't know what it was. We just have to wait to see. You can see there's another track there. It's got a pretty decent step. And there's the next one right there. You can kind of see it, I think. I'm going to continue on. See if I can cast something here. And go from there. Yeah, I don't hear it anymore. It was really loud at first. By the time I got my camcorder out, it kind of softened. Hopefully you can hear it at the very beginning of this. Alright, we're out for now.